Wait, all of this was made using AI in just minutes. These insane epoxy-style builds, the smooth transitions, the satisfying transformations. I'm going to show you exactly how to make videos like this in under 2 minutes. First, grab the prompt I've put in the description below. And if you want the full professional setup I personally use, check the link in my bio. Now paste that prompt into ChatGPT. It will generate multiple image prompts and video prompts for you. Start by generating your first image. Then use that as a reference to create the second image, and keep going step by step. This is what creates that smooth transformation effect. Next, go to Google Flow. It has everything built in Nano Banana for images and VO 3.1 for videos. Upload your first image, then your second image, and use the frames feature to generate a transition video between them. Repeat this for every stage. Each pair of images becomes one smooth, satisfying clip. Now take all your clips, stitch them together, keep the pacing clean and fast, and just like that, you've got a viral epoxy-style video. And the crazy part is, you can make videos just like the ones you saw at the start in minutes.